Well, first video I've ever done for fucking YouTube. I thought I might as well because I couldn't find anything on YouTube that would help me. So, 1.8 turbo BEX. Light's a bit shit because it's on my head, but yeah, 1.8 turbo BEX, A4 estate V6. Rough idle, struggling to start. Well, the main culprit was crankcase breather, which was this thing here. Now, obviously that's sat down there, and in there now at both ends. In both ends there's a copper sleeve. I literally grabbed hold of it to pull it out, and there's like a clip that goes in there. That clip, in fact. I literally pulled it, and it just snapped at both ends with no effort whatsoever. But it was split there. So I pulled it, and it just shattered, just literally shattered. Obviously that copper ring there was in the bottom. It was all, so the copper bit was still in there with all bits of plastic. So I managed to put a rag in, get a hoover, and hoover it out and pull bits out at the same time. So yeah, but I'm hoping that's going to stop it struggling to start it. Once it was started, it weren't so bad, but on tick over, it was rough on tick over. Well, I think someone else had this engine in parts and fucking been wagging up with them bastards. But yeah, but it's very easy just to take the fucking coolants off, throttle body off. There, the injectors just pull out. There's nothing bolting them in apart from 2 bolts there and there, but they just pull straight out. The injectors, it's dead easy. People try and do it from underneath the air intake, from the intake manifold, but it's just stupid. It took me half an hour, I think, to take it apart. Obviously, it's going to take me longer to put it back together, like, but it's very easy. Just take the throttle body off, coolant tank intake manifold off, a few hose clips. I've got some new Jubilee clips coming today for Amazon. But yeah, it was a rough idle, struggling to start. Replaced the PCV valve, but that never changed anything. I replaced that valve there, just a few other little bits. But yeah, fingers crossed it should fix it. But it's not an hard job at all, it's not an hard job.